back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing ginger beef with spring onions and snow peas. A real quick, easy dish. Let's get on with it. Right, we're going to need some ginger, we're going to need some spring onion, and of course we're going to need some snow peas. Now, I'm using snow peas. You could use some broccoli if you want. Okay, here I've got 500 grams of beef brisket, which I've cut yakiniku style, which means really thinly sliced. And I'll leave a description or a link below, and I'll show you how I do this style of cutting of meat, whether it be pork, lamb, or beef. Right. And we go with about a tablespoon's worth of Chinese rice wine, Xiaoxing rice wine, and I'm also going to add in a tablespoon of soy sauce and a tablespoon of oyster sauce. I've actually diluted the oyster sauce with the soy sauce to make it a little bit runny. We're going to add in around about a teaspoon, maybe a teaspoon and a half's worth of sugar that goes in, and I'm also going to add in about half a teaspoon's worth of white pepper. Right, we're going to put all that in together. We're going to give that a good stir. Make sure we've got that marinade coating every piece of meat if we possibly can. Alright, so just keep giving that a bit of a stir like that, and this marinade is so simple, so easy, and it's going to create our sauce. It's going to create everything. I'm going to put that aside for about half an hour and 30 minutes if you don't know what half an hour is. And in a wok, we're going to put around about 2 tablespoons worth of vegetable oil, and we're going to put in around about a 4 centimeter piece of ginger, which we have finely sliced up just like that. That goes in. We're going to flavor that oil up absolutely beautifully with those little pieces of ginger. Fry those off until they start going a little bit golden brown, but just judge it before they go golden brown. Add in some of your spring onion. We're going to use 4 spring onions. We're going to use the whites and all the way through, and the tops of the spring onion, yes, we're going to slice those up nice and fine and leave those for a little bit later. Give those a little bit of a stir fry through, just like that. And using a nice slotted spoon, we can get rid of the product and put that on some paper towel to drain. Alright, our oil is already flavored up with that onion and ginger. It's just an amazing process to do. Alright, so our oil is nice and hot. We've turned our wok up pretty high, and we're going to put our ladle in our pieces of brisket just like that, and as you can see, they are cut so incredibly fine and incredibly thin. I'm going to stir fry these off. They're not going to take very long at all. In total, looking at the timestamp during editing, this takes around about 6 minutes in total. Okay, so just give all of that a bit of a stir fry, and once it goes a little bit brown, give it a flip. Once it goes brown on the other side, give it a bit of a flip. It literally is going to take like 30 seconds per side per slice of our beef. Add in your ginger and your spring onion. Give that a bit of a stir through as well. And I'm also going to add just a little bit of water. That corn flour that we've got coating the beef is going to help thicken the sauce up absolutely naturally. Give that a little bit of a dosage, a little bit of a stir, add our snow peas in just like that, and we want to keep these a little bit on the crunchy side, of course. If you want to use any other vegetable, you absolutely can. You can use broccoli or whatever. Alright, here I've got 1 beaten egg that goes in. We're in the home streets now. The beaten egg, just get that all a bit of a stir through and coat all that beef and all those vegetables all together. It's a really simple, easy but traditional style Chinese type dish. Right, give that a bit of a stir. Everything's all coming together. All we have to do now, I'm going to give that a bit of a garnish through with some of our tops of our spring onions that we did not use in the main dish. That goes in just like that, and all we have to do now is you can serve over rice, or in my case, I'm going to serve that over some flat rice noodles, just like that. How good does that look, and how easy was that to cook? Love to see you try and make this one at home. Don't forget to garnish with a bit of toasted sesame seeds. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell and be notified every time a new video goes up. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Please leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make a very, very quick Chinese style dish just like this one, well, you need to come and join the family. My family, hit that subscribe button and you will never miss another one of my videos again. I'll try to eat my ginger beef with spring onion and snow peas, and I will catch you next time. Bye.